Hello everyone. So today I am going to solve district level practice exam 5. So let's begin. Choose the correct answer. The first question is a line that intersects a circle at two distinct points. Okay, so let me draw a circle. So two distinct points. So let me consider these two are distinct point. So the correct option is secant. Okay, so second question is if area of the circle is a 49 pi square centimeter. So area of a circle is pi r square. So this is 49 pi. So pi r square, pi and pi get cancelled. Square root of 49 is a 7. Okay. Now they are asking what is the length of the circumference of the same circle. So formula for circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So radius is 7. 7 2s are 14. So the answer is 14 pi. So the correct option is A. Now the third question is if probability of a E is equal to 0.95, what is the probability of a not E? So there is a formula to solve this. P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. So this is 0.95. Now probability of a not E is equal to 1 minus 0.95. So the correct option is A, 0.05. Let's move on to the second question. Now fourth question is write the formula to find area of a sector whose radius is r and angle subtended by a center is a theta. So area of a sector formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. That's it. Now fifth question is if a dice is thrown twice, okay, what is the total number of possible outcomes are? So I'll write number of outcomes is equal to, since it is thrown twice and a dice has a 6, so 6 into 6 is a 36. So let's move on to the sixth question. Now sixth question is in this figure if O is the center of a circle whose radius is OA, AP is a tangent and OPA is a 40 degree. Now they are asking find the angle of AOP, that is this. Now if I consider this triangle AOP in triangle AOP, so angle A plus angle O plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. Since AP is a tangent, so this is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus angle O plus angle P is how much? 40 degree is equal to 180. So angle O is equal to 180 minus, if you add this, it will be 130 and it goes to the right hand side, it will become minus. So if you subtract 180 minus 130, so the answer is 50 degree. Now seventh question says the length of the tangent drawn from the external point to a circle is 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is center O. The distance of the P from the center is 5. This is P, this is A. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle, that is this. So we can use a Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle AOP, so hypotenuse is OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square. So this is 7 square OA square plus 5 square. 7 square is 49 minus 5 square is 25 is equal to OA square. So if you subtract, it is 24 OA square. Square root of 24, since it all are in centimeters, so you can write in centimeter. So radius is how much? Square root of 24 centimeter, or you can write 4 6 are 24. So square root of 4 is 2, square root 6 centimeter. You can write like this also. Now eighth question is if angle subtended by a sector of a radius is 7 centimeter and theta is 60 degree. Find area of a sector. Area of a sector is equal to theta divided by 360 pi r square. So theta is how much here? 60 degree divided by 360 into 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 7. Since it is a square, so I am going to write 2 times. 7 and 7 get cancelled. 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are 2 3s are and 2 11s are. So 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 3. Since it is in area and the given question is in centimeter, so I need to write in centimeter square. Let's move on to the next question. So ninth question is the length of the minute hand of a clock. So this is the clock. Since it is a minute hand, so how much is this? 14 centimeter. So we can consider it as a radius. So find area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So this is, if I consider this as a 5 minutes, so we need to find the theta. So 5 minutes means, so I'm going to consider 5 into 360, since the complete clock, divided by 60. So 0 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are, so 5 6 are 30 degree. So area, find area. So area is equal to, you can use this formula, theta divided by 360 pi r square. So this is, theta is 30 divided by 360, 22 by 7, and r value is 14. So I'm going to write twice because of square here. 0 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 3 twos are 6 and 7 ones are 7 twos are and 2 ones are 2 6 are, then 2 3s are 2 11s are. So you can write 11 into 14 is 154 divided by 3. Since it is area and it is in meters, so you have to write meter square. So let's move on to the 10th question. Sorry, it is in centimeter, so you should write a 154 by 3 centimeter square. Now the next question is, if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then what will be the probability of getting head? So how many coins are there? 2 coins. So the formula is 2 raised to n. So 2 coins means it is 2 raised to 2. So how much? 4. This is your number of outcomes. So how can you write this? Since it is a coin, so head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. Fine. So there are 1 2 3 4. So total number of outcome is 4. Now what is the probability of getting head? This is head, this is head, this is head, and this is no head. So head head, head tail, tail head. So how many are there? There are 3, and total is how much? 4. So probability of getting head is 3 by 4. Now this 11th question is a 3-mark question. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white, 4 red marbles. So total number of outcomes will be 3 plus 2 plus 4. So this is blue, this is white, and this is red marbles. So how much it will be? 9. Okay. If a marble is drawn at a random from the box, what is the probability? First one, probability of getting white. So white is how much? It is 2 by 9. Second one, probability of getting red. So red is how much? 4. So it will be 4 by 9. And the last one, probability of getting blue. Blue is how much? 3. So 3 by 9. Or you can write 1 by 3. Now this 12th question is a theorem from circles chapter. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let me draw a circle. Okay. Now let this external point be P. Now length of the tangents from here if I draw a tangent. Okay, now O, P, Q and R. Now we need to prove that the tangents are equal. That is PQ is equal to PR. Now in the construction part, join these. Fine. Now given is a circle with the center O, a point P lying outside the circle with the two tangents PQ and PR on the circle. To prove, I have told you two tangents PQ and PR should be equal. Now in the construction part, join OP, OQ and OR. Now let us prove. Consider right triangles OQP, OQP, that is this, and ORP, that is this. So OQ is equal to OR. What are these? These are radii of the circle. For these two triangles, OP is a common side. Okay, so by this what we can tell, both the triangles are congruent by RHS. Since angle Q and angle R are 90 degree. So by this we can tell that PQ is equal to PR. Tangents are equal by CPCT. So this completes your theorem. Now this is the 4-mark question. A brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of a circles. You can see here with a diameter of 35 mm. So what will be the radius? R is equal to D by 2. So it is 35 by 2 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters, which is divided in to the circle 10 equal parts. So here they have given theta how much? 360, since it is a circle, and 10 equal parts. So divided by 10. So theta value will be how much? 36 degree. Now what they are asking, find the total length. So first one is total length of the silver required. Okay, for this what I am going to use the formula is circumference plus 5 times of diameter. Okay, now circumference formula is 2 pi r plus 5 times of a diameter. Diameter is how much? 35. Okay, now r value is 35 by 2. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 plus 5 is 25, 2, 5 is a 15, 175. 2 and 2 get cancelled, 7 ones are 7 5s are. So if you calculate this, you will get answer as a 285 mm. So total length of the silver wire required is 285 mm. Now second question, they are asking area of the each sector. So you can use this formula, area of a sector formula, that is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Now what is theta from here? It is 36 degree. So 36 divided by 360, 22 by 7, r value is 35 by 2 square. So 36 ones are, 36 tens are, and if you calculate this, you will get 385 by 4. Since it is in area, so it will be mm square. So this completes your entire solution of exam 5.